Many parents are still trying to figure out what to do with their kids who will be learning from home this fall as those parents go back to work. We've been reporting on how some local organizations are starting special child care programs like the YMCA, for example. A week from Tuesday, that's September 8th, the Collaborative Learning Program will be available at 7 Dane County locations to give students a place to learn while their parents are working. We're told financial assistance is available to cover the weekly $200 cost.
But for some families, a program like that just isn't an option. Josh Breiter went straight to the local child care experts to find out what options you do have this fall.
Many parents are now looking for childcare for school-aged children, something they wouldn't be thinking about without the pandemic. And in these uncertain times, that task is even tougher.
It used to be that parents would visit programs and tour them. Obviously, some of those rules and policies may have changed. And so you really want to call the program and find out how they're going about, enrolling families at this point with the pandemic.
Jody Bartnick is the executive director of Community Coordinated Childcare in Madison, otherwise known as 4C. She tells me there are options still available, but you better act fast. There's in-home family childcare, also different group settings, and some school districts are even offering programs.
We're partnering with the City of Madison to increase our referral database so that parents have more options for school-age care during the day.
When you're narrowing down your options, ask for references and talk to other parents. Also, make sure you call the regulatory agency to see if they're licensed properly and look into any compliance issues. The biggest thing here, she says, don't be afraid to ask the questions.
Programs are doing a really good job of making sure that kids are safe during the day, and so parents can talk about that with them and find out, what's going on and how to make sure that their kids are being well cared for.
Now, while childcare isn't cheap, many cities, counties, and even the state are adjusting subsidies, offering coverage for school-aged children during the day.
Not all parents can stay at home to homeschool and virtual school during the pandemic, so they're really trying to figure out ways to help offset those costs.
So if you have any questions about your family's options, 4C is available for free to help you out. Josh has the link up right now on channel3000.com.
So many child care dilemmas right now. Oh man, it's not easy being a parent. It's just a lot to keep up with, and these are really important decisions that we have to make. So
it certainly is. Well, I've used 4Cs in the past, so I can say that they are a wonderful agency and a lot of help for parents. So I would recommend, if you have any issues, definitely contact them.